I have Polyline. To edit Polyline in AutoCAD, from the drop-down menu Customize Quick Access toolbar, activate the command Show Menu Bar, activate the tab, and from the drop-down menu Modify, Object, select Polyline. Next step on drawn field, select Polyline, move the cursor and click left mouse button. And we can change its maybe close, its maybe width, and specify new width, it's maybe 5 millimeters, and click enter on the keyboard. Click ESC to excite. Next way we have edit, double click on Polyline, double click left mouse button, and we can change some of them. It may be width. From the drop down menu select one of them, or on command line select one of the options. It may be another width, maybe 10, and click enter on the keyboard. Click ESC to end edition. Click ESC on the keyboard.